Right.
Hey, listen, look, welcome to the Vdara. They upgraded me to a panoramic suite. And absolutely, listen, I'm ecstatic. This joint amazing. We got a hallway when you first walk in. This beautiful artwork here. I don't know what it is, but it looks amazing. I like the colors, orange, black. It's vibrant, got a nice little vibe to it. And look at this view. All this natural lighting coming in here. Look, I got folks in the hallway across the street or something I see. Absolutely amazing. They see me, I see them. Because all these lights. And then straight to our left, we got the Cosmo pool. You see them folks over there turning up. It's live. Oh, snap, what I'm walking into now. This is something like a living room. Okay, let me see if this couch comfy. Nice little comfy couch. Another one too. TV on the wall. What up, man? We gonna have a kickback in here tonight. You can invite a few folks. They can kick back and relax over here, do their thing. Can't beat that. Okay, what else we got going on? Come right into the bedroom. Now they got some doors here you can close if you want your privacy. So when you have the kickback, ain't nobody gotta be in your business. They can sit out here, do their thing, and they can have their privacy, and you can be in the room having your privacy with these nice silhouette shades. Let's see what else we got going on here. Bedroom, okay. Nice king bed, looks nice and comfortable. Nightstands on both sides. Got some nice night lamps. All these rooms come with the iPads or whatever these is that you can control a lot of your stuff from that you need. You can get your restaurant food if you want to, checking the spools and guest service. Check that out. It's pretty dope, okay. Some more views. Right across the street, we got the Aria, which I stayed there and made a room review for that. But I had a king room over there, but nothing like this one here. This one is absolutely phenomenal. When they say a panoramic suite, it truly is a panoramic suite. Now, I can't see these views. I don't know what's happening here. I got to figure out how to work those, but who cares for the most part. We're going to come right around from the king bedroom to the bathroom. So it's like us to walk around. Damn, check out this view. You can see the Vdara pool. Got some folks down there. Look like they're having a good time. Nice tub with some towels to your liking if you need those. Man, this is really, really, really nice. Okay, okay. Then we got the bathroom, got the shower here. Sink for one, sink for me. Nice. Closet. Ooh. We got some robes. Extra pillows in here as well. That's about it. Bathroom. Toilet to your left or right here. No privacy door, but for the most part, it's a king suite, so you should be in here with just someone else, just one or two or three, whatever you like. Can't beat that. And then we back where we started once we close this closet door. Straight to the kitchen. Did I show the kitchen? We showed this kitchen? I don't think we showed this kitchen.
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay. Look, table for dinner, whatever you choose to do. Got a cocktail set up right there. Get you some ice, make a few drinks. Okay, what's this, a black light, blue light? Huh. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know. All right, we got a stove, electric stove, dishwasher. There we go, some plates. Damn, they ain't even clean these. Ooh, the fuck is this? Don't know. Don't want to use none of that crap. That's the drawer. Mini bar. And the fridge stocked with some waters. Microwave. Little small sink. That's it. Vdara panoramic suite. Let's go.